Hello, my name is Anton Kolonin. I will present our work on unsupervised tokenization learning as a small part of our unsupervised language learning project. The latter, in turn, is part of the more grand initiative of interpretable language processing. The most interesting groundwork that we have found, among others, was in a paper by Wren, Stetson, and Johnson from 2007, where they have tried to solve the unsupervised tokenization problem relying on different metrics computed on the basis of token-wise graph traversals along training corpora texts, computing metrics such as conditional probability and freedom of transition, which we will call transition freedom further. We have explored the use of these metrics, along with their derivatives, on large multilingual English, Chinese, and Russian corpora. Using any of these metrics, any exceed of the specified threshold causes the text sequence to be split into tokens, traversing the text in either direction. First, what we have found is that using metrics derived from conditional probabilities makes it impossible to do reliable tokenization due to multiple false positives and negatives, so that either words are broken apart into morphologically unjustified tokens, or we get quoting and punctuation marks glued up to words. At the same time, we have discovered that use of the transition freedom, in particular its deviation from the mean, makes unsupervised tokenization perform decently well, identifying all or most of the words and punctuation marks correctly, depending on the language. We were able to identify specific hyperparameters, making that possible for every language. In particular, for English, the best set of hyperparameters was n equals 1 across different orders of n-grams, using model compression at 100% of transitional probability, so that less frequent transitions were pruned in the model graph, and applying a 0.4 threshold to transition freedom deviation. In the end, we have found that ultimate F1 score on the tokenization task based on Russian, close to it for English, and somewhat less impressive for Chinese. The quality of lexicon-based tokenization has turned out to be the same high quality for English, a little bit worse for Russian, and the better for Chinese. At the same time, the precision of the lexicon discovery task has appeared similarly decent across all languages. Thank you.